Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare React versus Visual Studio Code. React is a powerful JavaScript library for crafting dynamic user interfaces, while Visual Studio Code is a versatile and popular code editor. Understanding their distinct roles is crucial for any web developer. We'll explore what each tool offers and how they integrate seamlessly into a modern development workflow, helping you build amazing applications efficiently. Let's dive into their core functionalities and see why they are both essential. React's primary purpose is to build the user interface of your web applications. It excels at creating dynamic, interactive experiences through its component-based structure, allowing developers to reuse UI elements efficiently. Its innovative virtual DOM ensures incredibly fast updates and a smooth user experience. With a vast and active community, you have access to thousands of libraries and extensive support, making development both powerful and collaborative. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is your go-to environment for writing and managing code. It provides robust features for coding, debugging, and seamless version control. With its rich extension marketplace, it supports hundreds of programming languages and frameworks, including React. Its integrated terminal and Git integrations significantly streamline your development workflow. Plus, it's lightweight, highly customizable, and completely free, making it a favorite among millions of developers worldwide. Ultimately, React and Visual Studio Code are not rivals, but rather powerful, complementary tools. React is the innovative technology you use to build the interactive user interface of your application. VS Code, on the other hand, is the sophisticated environment where you write, debug, and manage all that code. They work hand in hand, with most React developers choosing VS Code as their primary editor to harness the full potential of both for efficient and effective web development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.